Look at this. So your malicious looking okra soup. Watch this video till the end to find out how to cook this delicious, your malicious okra soup. Welcome to another cooking video. I hope you guys are all well, and today we're going to make some okra soup, of course the Togolese style. So keep watching. As you can see, our okra is already chopped. Here are all the ingredients. We have scotch bonnet, 1 stock cube, crabs. This is cow skin. You don't have to add it, it's optional. And our red palm oil here, some tiger prawns, fish, some garden egg. I'm going to half it before adding it to the sauce. So these are all the ingredients, guys, we're going to use to make our okra soup the Togolese way, of course. So let's get right into it. Coucou les amis, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. J'espère que vous allez super bien. Aujourd'hui, je vais partager une de mes recettes préférées avec vous, et c'est la sauce au gombo à la togolaise. Bien sûr à ma manière, parce que même au Togo, les gens préparent différemment. Donc, sauce gombo à la togolaise à ma manière. Vergine. Donc, vous pouvez partager ça en deux avant d'ajouter ça à votre sauce gombo. So let's start cooking. The first thing you need is, this is bicarbonate, the original one, you know, this is from back home. I'm going to add it right now in the water. Donc, ça c'est la bicarbonate de potassium, et je vais ajouter ça dans l'eau. Pour reasonable amount of water here, versez de l'eau, et ça dépend de la quantité de votre gombo. So you pour this water. So it depends if you want it served for 4 people, 5 people. So the water depends on how small you want your soup to be, or want it more or less. Okay, so I'm going to add this ingredient right in now. I'm going to cook my cow skin a little bit before adding it to the soup, but you don't have to. Like some people, they just put it in straight, but I like mine extremely soft, so that's why I'm doing this. Garlic powder, ginger powder, but you can use the fresh one as well. So I'm going to cook this like 10 to 15 minutes before adding it to my soup. Je vais cuire la peau de bœuf pendant 10 à 15 minutes avant d'ajouter ça à ma sauce gombo. Mais vous pouvez aussi ajouter ça directement si vous voulez. Certaines personnes le font comme ça aussi, mais moi j'aime ça vraiment pas dur quoi. So now I'm going to add all my seafood in. It should be ready now. It's perfect how I like it. So I'm going to drain the water and then add it to the okra now. Ajouter les crevettes et puis les crabes. That's my stock cube. Add some salt to taste. Ajouter un peu de sel. And now I'm going to add the fish because that should be the last to go in. We don't want it to be all mashed up. So let's add the fish. You can blend your pepper if you wish to, but I'm just adding mine like this because of my babies. Vous pouvez écraser le piment si vous voulez. À cause de mes enfants, moi je mets mon piment dedans comme ça. Comme ça, c'est pas trop fort quoi. As you can see, it looks so yummy-licious. You can have it with semolina, maize meal, or whatever you choose to have your okra soup with. I'm going to have it with semolina. Donc je prépare du semolina. C'est ce que je vais utiliser pour accompagner ma sauce gombo. Alright, let's check this out. So already perfectly done. And I'm going to serve it now with my semolina. I'm sure you're going to try this recipe. Definitely a must try recipe. Quite easy to make. Alright guys, it's time to enjoy this your delicious okra soup. So I'm going to serve it now. My semolina is so ready. Look at this. Guys, I told you I love my pepper, so I'm gonna add this to it. Guys, this is the moment where I invite you always to join me so we can all enjoy the yummy-licious food. We call this sauce in Togo fetri desi. So midunulo, meaning you guys are invited to join me so we can all enjoy this yummy-licious dish. If you like this recipe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone that also loves African recipes, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next cooking video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Si vous avez aimé, likez, partagez et aussi essayez la sauce gombo à la togolaise. Je suis sûre que vous allez adorer. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner et activer votre cloche afin de ne pas rater mes nouvelles vidéos. À très bientôt. Au revoir.